Hello friends, welcome to Corporate Bridge. In this short presentation, we'll provide you with a snapshot of how you can go about learning Excel 2010 at a beginner's level in just one single day. What you will have to invest is basically you'll have to remain fully committed to learn Excel. You'll have to provide us with one full day of your life and of course a small registration fees. And what you'll get in return is that you will no more remain an Excel virgin. You'll become awesome in Excel, you'll become efficient and smart, and you'll definitely earn respect and impress others. So let's go and look at how this course is structured. This course is structured in a very interesting way. It starts with 28 high definition video tutorials. Each video tutorial has a subtitle for easy comprehension. Within each video tutorial you'll have an inline quiz in order to make you understand the concepts or comprehend the concepts in a much better fashion. There are downloadable templates and there are Excel case studies. So let's go to the website and see this in a working fashion. So here you'll find that this is an Excel marathon game which you can play in order to understand your Excel level. So let me do that. I've clicked on Excel marathon game, and for each correct attempt there's a +1 mark, for a wrong attempt there's a -1 mark. Let me click on next, continue, and I can choose the eraser, and there would be a list of questions. There are 10 questions here which will help you understand where you are in the value chain of Excel learning. So what would be the resulting formula be in the cell? This would be, let's say, cell B. If you marked it correct, you'll be given 1 mark. If you mark it incorrect, 1 mark will get deducted. So you can play this diagnostic game in order to understand your efficiency level in Excel. Let us look at the full course material that we will provide you. This full course material actually consists of approximately 20 sections, and each section will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes of your time. Within each section you'll find that there is a video as well as the without solution and with solution Excel sheets. These are downloadable so that you can comprehend this and keep it with you for future use. Now let us look at one of the videos to understand the mechanism or the way it has been created. So I have opened pivot tables and let's look at the flow. The first thing that comes is the introduction, which explains us what will be discussed in this video. Let me click on next, and you'll find that the video is being discussed. You can click on toggle subtitles to see if you require the subtitles or not. Likewise, there are other features which consists of inline quizzes. So after certain milestones there would be a pop-up quiz in between in order to check whether you have understood the concepts or not. So you can try those in between and see if they are getting solidified or not. So this is how our course is structured in terms of high definition video tutorials, inline quizzes, games, downloadable Excel sheets, and presentations. So you can definitely learn Excel in one single day if you are committed, and you're committed enough to spend one full day with this. A quick look at some of our testimonials. You'll find that many of our patrons have enjoyed this course and have learned a lot. For example, one of our students says, I really enjoyed the course and learned many new functions in Excel which will help me a lot in my future. Let us see another one. Best online learning portal I have ever used. So seeing is believing, and I believe that if you learn through this course you'll have a good heads up in terms of basic Excel. All the very best, and see you at Corporate Bridge.